No, you are not going to steal or cheat. But yes, you are going to rejig a good idea. Hey everyone, it's your girl, Eleanor Rose. Let's be honest, retirement is the perfect time to finally write that book, right? But let's be even more honest. We want that book to sell. Nobody wants to spend years crafting the perfect nonfiction book only to see it gather dust on a shelf. Successful retiree authors know how to take a proven winning book idea and make it their own. That's what we're diving into today. In this video, you will meet several incredible authors who absolutely crushed it in the book game, all after they retired. They took a popular book idea, added their own unique sparkle, and watched the sales climb. So, grab your reading glasses, maybe a cup of tea or something a little stronger, and let's get into it. Successful retiree authors know how to take a proven winning book idea and make it their own. In this video, you will meet 7 retiree authors who did just that. Next, we've got John Jones, a retired military man with a heart of gold and stories that would make your jaw drop. John had always dreamed of writing a book about his experiences, but he thought, who would want to read about that old stuff? Well, let me tell you, a lot of people. He saw the popularity of military memoirs and thought, I can do that. John ran with the idea. He penned Echoes of Valor, a soldier's journey of courage and camaraderie. And let me tell you, it was a hit. John's honest, raw, and often humorous take on his time in the service resonated with readers. He didn't shy away from the tough stuff, but he also highlighted the camaraderie, the brotherhood, the moments that made him laugh even in the toughest of times. Patricia Brown gardening her way to the top. Let's talk about Patricia Brown, the green thumb queen herself. Patricia, a retired teacher, had the most amazing garden you've ever seen. She could make a cactus bloom in a blizzard, I swear. She saw all these gardening books out there, but they were always so serious, so scientific. Patricia wanted to make gardening fun, so she wrote Blooming Good Time, A Beginner's Guide to Gardening with Joy. She filled it with practical advice, sure, but she also made it funny. She shared stories of her gardening mishaps, the time she accidentally grew a pumpkin the size of a small car. People loved her book and it was selling well. Gardeners realized, hey, gardening doesn't have to be stressful. It can be a blooming good time. David Wilson, From Fixing Cars to Fixing Lives with Financial Advice. Now let's meet David Wilson, a retired mechanic who knew more about cars than most people know about their own families. But David had another passion, personal finance. He was always the one helping friends and family budget, save money, and invest wisely. He saw the success of personal finance books and thought, I can bring something unique to the table. And boy, did he. He wrote The Money Wrench. Get a grip on your finances. A practical, no-nonsense guide to managing money, but with a twist. David used car analogies to explain complex financial concepts. He'd say things like, your budget is like your car's engine. Got to keep it well maintained if you want it to run smoothly. People loved his down-to-earth approach, and his book became a surprise bestseller. Susan Miller, Traveling the World, One Recipe at a Time. Hold on to your hats, folks, because next up is Susan Miller, a retired travel agent who turned her love for exploring the world into a culinary adventure. Susan had traveled to every corner of the globe, and her suitcase was always filled with spices and recipe ideas. She saw the popularity of travel-themed cookbooks and thought, I've got stories and flavors that could knock their socks off. She wrote Global Bites, a culinary journey around the world, a cookbook that wasn't just about recipes, but about the stories, the cultures, and the people behind each dish. From spicy Thai curries to hearty Italian pastas, Susan took readers on a culinary adventure, making them feel like they were right there with her, exploring the world one bite at a time. Next, we have Robert Davis, From Classroom to Page Turner Mysteries. Okay, mystery lovers, this one's for you. Robert Davis, a retired history professor, loved mysteries. He devoured mystery novels and thought, I can craft a mystery that will keep readers on the edge of their seats. He wrote The Pharaoh's Secret, a historical mystery set in ancient Egypt. Robert's book was a hit. Readers loved the meticulous research and intricate plot. He proved that you're never too old to captivate readers with your words. Linda Garcia, knitting her way to success, one stitch at a time. She too noticed books in her niche, improved on an idea, and found success in selling her knitting book. Turn your retirement dreams into bestsellers. So there you have it, folks. Incredible retiree authors who took a proven book idea, added their own unique flair, and watched their books fly off the shelves. Remember, it's never too late to chase your writing dreams. Please hit the buttons to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on taking another's idea and putting your own twist on it. Help more retiree authors make money with their books by leaving a comment under this video. Tell us about your experiences as a retiree author. What are you passionate about? Share it with the world, and you might become the next best-selling author. For more information on crafting a nonfiction book, go to Amazon and have a look at the book. Titled Make Money in Retirement, Write a Nonfiction Book, You and AI. Be bold, be authentically you. That's what readers connect with. And that's what will make your book a success.